All right. As Independence Day approaches, show the neighbors your patriotism, Ainsley.
And what better way, Brian, to do that than with a new yard setup, Steve?
And this is better than bunting. Skip BEDELL has you covered. Skip,
right.
I love these telescoping flagpoles.
They're fantastic. So this is Atlantic flag and pole, all American made, American materials, made by Americans. They employ U.S. veterans. So what's nice about the telescoping is that there's no ropes and pulleys clanking around and banging on the flagpole.
Right. And at the top of this one, it looks like a flying saucer.
Yes, so it has a solar light. It's very important if you're going to keep your flag flying at nighttime that you have a light on it. That's flag etiquette.
What about that? How do you get into the ground?
Yeah, so this is the ground sleeve. So how they install, we have an installation video back there if you guys can play it. It's very easy. It's about a 15-minute installation, totally DIY. You take a post hole digger, you dig a 2-foot hole, you mix up a $couple bag of Sackcrete from Home Depot, you put it in the hole, and you set the sleeve in.
Like you're doing a mailbox.
Yeah, exactly. You come out the next day and you drop your pole in. It's just that easy. So very easy to operate. So right now they have a bundle. You can get the flagpole, the American flag, a second flag like support your troops.
Right.
It comes with the solar light and also the ground sleeve all together in that bundle. Makes it really easy.
And these are your choices of the 4 flags?
Yeah, so they have tons of flags. I have just a few here, all the branches of the military, amazing flag selection. The best part about their flags is they're all hand-stitched. So all of the flags and poles made here in America, American materials. Guys, when I went to go get it, when I looked at research for a flagpole for my own house, I was shocked that about 75% of them were made overseas, mostly in China, Chinese aluminum, and all those parts. These are made 100% American materials by Americans. They employ veterans, so it's an all-American made product. This comes with the kit, like I showed you before, the gold topper. So this is an outrigger flag. I love this. These are made to mount on your house. You see it comes in bronze and silver. Right. And this is a 6-foot anodized aluminum pole, very sturdy, much more heavier construction. By the way, all the poles that we're looking at, lifetime warranty on everything. So
fantastic.
And they're rust-free, right?
And what about, how do we know when the wind is blowing?
So these are great. Listen, patriotic goes all the way up to the roof. You want to be patriotic, get a patriotic weather vane. I love these things. They're very easy to install. Just 4 screws. They adjust to your rooftop, and they have about 30 different styles you can choose from on their website at AtlanticFlagpole.com. Amazing selection of stuff. But between the pole for your front yard, the outrigger, all their hand-stitched flags, and these awesome weather vanes, your house is set up for the holidays, man. I mean, you guys are totally patriotic.
So you can either have the eagle or...
So they have a bunch of patriotic styles, which I love, and then they have what they call hobby vanes. So this is like if you're into farming, they have all kinds of different things that are like what you do. But Atlantic flag and pole, what I love about these guys, they're an American business.
Red, white, and beautiful.
All the way, you guys, Steve.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Skip.
You can get your own bundle at AtlanticFlagpole.com, and you can always visit SkipBedell.com. Thank you very much, Skip.